Today, we'll draw a simple cloud architecture using Draw.io. First, search for Draw.io on Google and open Draw.io page. Select More Shapes and choose the AWS 24 bundle. In AWS, a key component is Amazon VPC, your private section of the cloud, where you can design and deploy infrastructure like in traditional network. Within a VPC, you can create private and public subnets, each in a different availability zone. Route tables direct network traffic within your VPCs, with each subnet needing a route table. We'll place EC2.1 in a private subnet and EC2.2 in a public subnet. To give EC2.1 internet access, add a NAT gateway in a public subnet. Specify a route in the route table and allow an ingress rule in the security group. Don't forget the IGW, enabling internet communication for VPC instances. Tell me in the comment which tool you use and find the hidden error in the schema. Don't forget to check out the YouTube channel for full videos. Today we are getting hands-on. We'll be building a VPC from scratch, step by step.